Cause they said Waffle won.
Yeah, he won.
We don't care. That's bullshit. Let him race.
Okay, it's a courtesy stage. Turn one bulb on.
He got 7 seconds to get his ass up there. Ain't no rules saying you can't do it.
Going back to Alabama if alone.
Take that L.
Yeah, that was the race.
We don't give a fuck. He can go. We don't care. He ain't paying no money to get in this shit. He ain't paying no money. Get in or get out. Get in. What has nothing to do with that, nigga?
What are you trying to say? He said he didn't race?
Yeah, that's bullshit.
That motherfucker, he lit both bulbs. He lit both bulbs.
Even she gonna tell you that. Once you call the bulbs, you say it's a race.
Would you tell him that? You told him to back up.
Exactly. Ain't got that's a loss. So Miss Sydney, that's a loss. She just said the greatest it's a loss. Thank you. Call the fucking friend. Call the fucking friend. Let them go. And then you got guys that never race. She has nothing to do with it. Let them race. That's the whole point of the thing. That's what we want about it.
Okay, let me get out. Coach, what you think, man?
Say, man, okay, it's a courtesy stage in effect.
Yeah.
So you turn one bulb on,
Yeah.
the other guy goes in.
Yeah.
You know how that goes.
Yeah.
They said to somebody, I don't know. I mean,
Yeah.
you know, be honest with you, look
Yeah.
out. It's above my pay grade. I don't want to say nothing.
Yeah. That's messed up.
Right.
I got you. Cause this a grudge race at the same time. So, you know,
Right.
stuff like that you can damn near do whatever you want in the grudge race. It's like a fight. It's like a fight with no rules. You got boxing and then you got fighting. So, you know what I'm saying? There's rules in boxing. This is, you know, this kind of like a fight, man.
Right. Hey, y'all, watch out. Watch out behind you guys. We don't sort this out, but we don't keep racing right now, man.
Y'all come on back. No matter what. He got 7 seconds to get his ass up there. It's an automatic red light. Period.
Not if he double bub though,
It
right?
don't matter. He got 7 seconds to get his ass up there. Ain't no rules saying you can't do it. That's sportsmanlike. That's sportsmanship.
How you gonna have 7 seconds with no light?
That's sportsmanship.
I thought it was 7 seconds if both of y'all cut off one bulb. Yeah, well, you gotta have.
He had one bulb on the
He
back.
didn't have no bulbs on.
Well, look, if you up there and somebody up there, and you got one light on, and this person over here,
Yeah.
if this crew member put his foot up there in that light, all he can see is the lights right there.
Right,
So
but
that's all he knows.
what I'm saying
so
is-
that's one light, so he doesn't pull
But
it.
man,
car has to go into the beam, not no foot. The car gotta go into the beam. His crew should know not to get that light turned on.
mailman. Feet
And car.
The car came up.
I tell you what, watch this NHRA shit. If they double bulb and don't get their ass up there, it's an automatic red light.
Yeah.
Watch it. Have you seen that?
Yeah, I thought it would be if one bulb come on, you got the other person. Like say if they both turn one bulb on, now 7 seconds is in effect.
Yeah. How he know that was somebody's foot over there besides the car?
It wasn't on.
It wasn't
came
on.
I mean, I know they looking at the bulb.
He never bagged
Yeah,
up.
this live.
He never bagged up. It was a foot.
How he supposed to know that's a foot over there?
If the
All he
lights
seen was
ain't
that
on.
light come
The
on.
light went on.
The light came on.
It came on, but it came on. That's what I'm saying. That's what you saying.
I know he
But
looking
he
at
was bagging up when the light
He
went
wasn't
on.
bagging up. He
I
didn't
bet you wasn't found had a bet on somebody right there. I bet you they wouldn't take no money out of my goddamn hand. I bet you that. I guarantee you that.
Milton, what's up, bro? What happened, man? They said they rerunning.
Where you been?
Huh? I ain't even bet on it.
No, that should have
in a red light over there. Hey, did you get paid?
Lawrence, was that a race?
Goddamn race.
That was a race.
No, we need to go back to Alabama if alone.
Oh shit. Let me see. What's up with KY? Is that a race, man?
100% race.
100% race.
Lane back and sword fool ass.
Two lights mean you ready to do what? Race.
Hope you ready to race.
Yeah. If you got 2 lights up,
that's what 7 seconds story, man.
yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought.
7 seconds story.
That's what I thought. That's when the 3 bulbs start, man.
We blame Malcolm and his count.
Yeah. They shouldn't have been double bulb, and they already know that's.
I ain't never seen nobody turn on 2 bulbs and get out the car. Ever in my life. Ever in my life. Ever.
So they done just made a mistake. They gotta go ahead and just
take that L.
He should get DQ for getting off the car. No bullshit. He should get DQ for getting off the car, Wade.
Man, he stayed in the beams on the.
His team should have told him. Oh, he got enough competition. Let me go on bag.
Man, he had 2 bucks.
Open that door. Wait a minute. You come around. Who does that? That's a race.
Oh no, did he think that he shut his car for something?
Nah, the car was running.
I said, did he think he shut his car?
That man looked over and seen the driver and said, oh shit,
going in.
I'm jumping in.
He didn't do nothing wrong.
He ain't do nothing wrong.
That man didn't do nothing wrong.
That's a law.
That's a law.
Hey, man.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Damn. Hey, man.
Okay, we're gonna
Was that a good one?
Yeah, that was a race.
That was a race.
That was a race. I didn't know they were in the beams, bro. That's a race. Q, come on, man.
We need the white triangle back to line.
They finna run again. They finna run it again.
We need the white triangle.
Q, come on.
They finna rerun it, y'all.
It's 1-0 as far as I'm concerned. That's 1-0 as far as I'm concerned.
You won, Blake. Get the hell out of here.
Okay, when you lose, this is shootout, man. This is shootout. He's going the whole day in separation.
They gonna make my boy Malcolm drive all the way home, man. Attention in the pits.
Hey, all 4 beams. It's a video match. It's a clear video. There wasn't never it's a clear video. It's fucking 4 beams.
They ain't close to the racing job.
You don't know what the fuck you doing racing. Back the fuck out of the beam. Back the fuck out of the beam.
He got burned the fuck down. He was sitting there.
Yeah, it was.
He should do that shit right.
Bad. Hey, what's up with it? Oh, we got Lexus in the building. Hey, bad as it was, I have to say, shit, 2 bulbs mean I'm ready to race.
Yeah,
You ain't ready.
on the line.
You can get snuck, I guess. So you ain't ready. Don't get up there. That's all. I don't know all the other rules.
Yeah, that was a race.
I don't know how to say I'm not ready to race, but I got these gloves on. I don't know. How you gonna tell the other crew to stop? Like, hey, I ain't ready, fool.
Hey, he was hitting that juice though. That hoe wasn't it?
Yeah.
That hoe was
That
hitting.
bitch was hitting though. I wanted to see what it was really gonna do.
You
I
ain't
think
seen
that
it?
done pissed him off though.
He gonna send that hoe now.
Yeah, I think they done pissed him off.
He gonna send that hoe now.
I think he mad about the situation.
I kind of think his transmission was leaking.
Yeah, I think they mad about the situation.
Get paid.
Look out, let's get paid.
What happened?
Hey. Woo. This side. Hey, that TV mistake. TV mistake.
What happened?
You ready to the next one, Caleb?
What happened? What was that?
It's another pair. Send them out. I'm talking about the next one.
Yeah, we're ready to run the next pair. Let's go.
Yeah.
So what the conclusion come up to be?
Raffle wrong.
Okay, Raffle won.
They said Raffle won.
Okay. Okay, they said Raffle won.
Yeah, he won.
Okay.